Why did you lose money with SPY? Well, I'm glad you're asking yourself that question, and I'm here to show you some tips and secrets from Wall Street that you will never hear unless you subscribe to this channel. Now, if you have the indicator, you don't have these issues as long as you're patient. But I want to show you guys, okay, what is going on with SPY. There's a lot of little tricks they're using to get people out of their calls and out of their puts. Now, this indicator that I have down here is called RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index, and basically it tells you how strong the sells are, how strong the buys are, and this indicator can shoot up and down or just drag along the bottom, okay, and tell you, well, it's not that strong right now, or when it bumps up, super strong when you see this little green cloud building in there. Okay, now the number one thing people always do is they'll look at the RSI and they'll say, we're going down. Okay, and then you look at SPY and you say, cool, it's going down. But then SPY starts to climb again. And what do? You try to rush out of your short or your puts, and you end up losing money or breaking even, depending on how fast you are when you're getting in and out. Okay. The indicator helps you with one thing, guys. Okay. And that's understanding when to get in and when to get out. Check that out. Okay. If you had the indicator, you wouldn't have gotten into a put. At least you wouldn't have stayed a long time because the cloud continued to stay green. It never turned red. Okay. Now, we do have RSI. Okay. If you're only using RSI, you're not going to do as well as you think. Okay. If you want to make good money in the stock market, stop being cheap and invest in tools that you're going to need. I don't care if you don't buy my courses, buy somebody's courses. Stop losing money, guys. Okay. In this example here, we have RSI going down. Okay. Perfectly fine if you were using RSI. This works out. Then you say, wow, look at this. Okay. I watched RSI and it went down. RSI should just help you with confirmation. Okay. Now, if you had the indicator, you would have seen and you would have been part of a big move down. That was about $3. The stock market is not giving you a lot. If you play SPX, this equals to $30. Okay. That's a lot of money you can make there. Okay. If you had an indicator. Okay. The indicator pays for itself right off the bat because you get visibility. Okay. Visibility is the greatest thing you can have in the stock market. Now, I want to show you guys something. Okay. I'm going to turn this off. Okay. Now I'm going to get rid of RSI. You tell me when to buy and sell here. Okay. If you're looking at this big picture here, absolutely you would say, whoa, we got all the way to the top. If you understand support and resistance. If you don't, you need to learn it. You will make money. The more you learn, the more money you're going to make, guys. Okay. Now, when do you get in? When do you get out? Okay. You have no visibility. All right. So now you see my point, guys. You need some help. You need tools. This is why you keep losing money, because you don't understand how strong and how weak the buys are. Now, I'm going to show you something, which is why I am making this video. I want you to understand RSI. Okay, the stock was going down here. Okay, if you're not an advanced trader, do not, I'm going to tell you 2 times, do not buy a put when the RSI is here. Okay, because if you are not educated, you're going to see this here, and then you are going to get out of your put. Once you see this happen, you're not going to want to stay in that put. An advanced trader understands that this is a pullback and we can continue down. How does an advanced trader know that? Because they've taken courses and they know that right there is and can be resistance. Okay, so I'm going to mark it off. If you knew resistance was coming, you would hold your put. Now, if you take profits here because you got up here, congratulations. That's what you're supposed to do. Do not let anyone else tell you, I made 300% on my trade. Good for you. Okay, walk away from those people. Anybody that trades for real is going to tell you, take the money when it's there. Do not risk your profits. Okay, many more times you're going to have a lot of chances. Okay, on getting a trade. Okay, you can see a pattern here. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. All right, so this is called a pullback. Okay, so the stock's going down and then it pulls back, or to help you understand better, it's pulling back up. Okay, and this is what it does all the time. Okay, now let's get rid of that drawing and let's help you understand pullbacks a little bit better. Okay, if you're an advanced trader, you're going to know the stock has a pattern. Okay, they're not just going to, give you the money right off the bat. It's great when this thing slams down and you bought a put, man, you get out quick. Okay, and you make your profits. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you have pullbacks. If you understand these patterns, you're going to do very well, but you're not going to understand them if you're not taking any courses, you're not taking education. Again, I don't care. Don't take mine. Go grab someone else's courses. Learn. Stop losing money. I see it all the time on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. People are pissed off because they lost money, and they'll go to a YouTube channel and try to slam the person who is talking about stocks. Okay, that person can't tell you everything there is to learn about trading in one video. Okay, so if you're going to trade, understand your signals. Understand you don't have tools, guys. Okay, this here was an amazing entry, and I'm going to show you. Okay, with this info line here, you can see you could have made $1.48 if you're playing option contracts. Okay, $1.48, the potential there is big. You can make $100, you can make 500, you can make 1,000, you can make 10,000. There's people that are posting 10,000, 12,000, $15,000 trades. Why? Because they have experience. You know how they started? They started with one contract. They made $50 here. Then next time they made $100, and then next time they saw this go down, they made $200, then $300. And guess what? Now they're kicking ass. 1,000 at a time, 1,000 at a time, 1,000. Next thing you know, they're moving up to 5,000, 10,000. Okay. So just to prove my point, I'm going to show you SPY a year ago. Okay, 1 year ago, May. Check that out. That was an entry to buy a put. This was an entry to buy a call. And here we keep going. Okay, you got a put. And then we have another entry. See how this indicator helps you out? Okay, makes life super easy when you are trading. Now, if you are new to trading and you're buying shares, this is exactly when you buy. The greens is when you buy your stock. The red is when you sell it, or you can sell it up here at a higher point. Okay, or when this cloud starts to curl. Okay. All right, so it's time to land this plane, folks, and I want to show you what your chart should look like if you're an options trader. Okay, very simple. Buying a put option, buying a call option. If you're trading with $1,000 account, every entry, okay, in my opinion, should be $100. Okay, that should be your budget. So it means you buy 2 calls or 2 puts if it makes your budget. Okay, $100. Okay, now this here works if you are patient. You have to wait for your entries. If the cloud is not flipped, you have no entry. Be patient. What are you going to do the rest of your life if you hit $10 million in one trade? You're going to want to trade again. You're going to enjoy life, but you're going to want to trade again. So make sure you guys understand, okay, and gals, make sure you understand that this is a strategy, okay? If you try to use another strategy, then this one gets messed up. Now that other strategy, you don't know the success rate in that one, okay? And this one, you will know the success rate, okay? And this is how you do it. If you are a serious trader, you will measure your moves down, okay? That's $2.29 when that happened. And this call maximum went to $1.13. And this put option went down to $1.28. And then we had a call you could have purchased that went to, now I can take it up here, but that is aftermarket and it gapped up overnight. So we'll stay here, okay, 80 cents. And then we had a nice drop down here, okay, on the next day at 10:25, an hour after the market opened, okay? And guess what that was, okay? It's about $3, okay, guys? Yeah, $2.29, $1.13, okay, $1.28. I mean, we are talking some nice cha-ching here in the matter of a day and a half. A day and a half, and you would have had an $8.42 move, okay? If I take this and I say times a 50 delta, okay? That's one contract, 50 delta on SPY, you would have made $421 in a day and a half. If you would have bought two contracts, you would have made $842, okay? The indicator pays for itself. Now this here, okay, is a strategy. This is a plan. You stick to it. You don't go do something else. You heard somebody on Twitter said this and said that. Guys, this works. You have to be patient. You have to understand this is what I do full time, and just do it correctly. Don't worry about what all the candles are doing and where they're going and all that good stuff, okay? Now, I put this video together because a lot of folks are struggling right now. The market's getting choppy. It's not really getting choppy, okay? They're giving you smaller entries, but you're still getting entries, all right? Now, if you guys are finding value in this video and it helps you, do me a favor, subscribe, share it with friends and family that are trying to do well in the market, okay? If you need more help, I have my courses. I'm going to leave you guys a link below in the description so that you can catch it. I have a code in there to give you a discount, okay? Try the indicator. If the indicator is not working for you, okay, in the first 30 days, if the indicator is not working for you, I will pay for your subscription every month until it works. That's right. I will pay for it. You have an initial cost when you sign up, okay, $24.99 a month. If you did not make $25 or more in the first 30 days, the next month is on me. If you didn't do it in that month, the next month is on me. I promise you, this is going to open your eyes, guys. This is money here. This helps you, okay? So again, share this video, rewind it, keep looking at it, ask me questions. My phone number is in the description as well. Feel free to text me. Don't matter what time of day or night it is, guys. All right. Hope this helps. See you on the next video.